Welcome to Success EduTech. I hope you all are very good. Okay, we shall continue WP and perhaps I have did potential energy and kinetic energy types of energy. So I shall continue today collisions and types of collisions. Okay, so first of all, what is collision and types of collision? Collision is an isolated event in which a strong force acts between two or more bodies for a short time, as a result of which the energy and momentum will exchange of the momentum between the bodies. Okay, so in collision, what happens? It is an isolated event in which a strong force acts between two or more bodies. Okay, so first of all, the force must be applied. Okay, so between the particles or between the bodies, force must be applied. Then after collision will be happen, and as a result of collision, momentum will be exchanged. And see next one, the kinetic energy of the bodies may remain constant or change. Okay, so kinetic energy of the body either may remain constant or it might be possible that they will change. Accordingly, the collisions are classified into the two types. They are, first one is elastic collisions and second one is inelastic collision. Okay, so any collision will happen, either they will be elastic or they will be inelastic. So let's see types of collision on the basis of conservation of kinetic energy. Okay, definition of elastic collision: the collision in which both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved is called elastic collision. Okay, perfectly elastic collision: if in a collision kinetic energy after collision is equal to kinetic energy before collision, the collision is said to be perfectly elastic. Okay, perfectly elastic. So actually what happens in perfectly elastic, the kinetic energy before the collision is equal to the kinetic energy after the collisions. Okay, so let's see examples of collision between examples perfectly elastic collision. The examples, first example is collision between atomic particles. So if the collision happens between the atomic particles, then the energy before the collision is equal to energy after the collision. So conservation of energy we see. And second one is bouncing of ball with the same velocity after the collision with earth. Okay, so if we bounce the ball on the earth, definitely we see the same velocity comes, जिस velocity से अपन फेंकते हैं नीचे उसी velocity से वो come back return अपने हाथ में आती है. Okay, so examples, it was an example of perfectly elastic collision. Okay, let's see inelastic collision: the collision only momentum is conserved but not kinetic energy is called inelastic collision. I hope you all have understood that what is momentum and what is kinetic energy. Okay, momentum जो m into v mass velocity के product को momentum कहते हैं, half mv square kinetic energy. Okay, so examples in inelastic collision only momentum is conserved, not kinetic energy. Its example, collision between two automobile on a road. In fact, all majority of collision belongs to this category. जितने भी एक्सीडेंट होते हैं आप देखते हैं ऑटोमोबाइल्स पे, कोई व्हीकल्स का यदि होते हैं तो वो सारे आ जाते हैं, इट ऑल कम्स अंडर inelastic collision. Perfectly inelastic collision: if in a collision two bodies stick together or move with same velocity after the collision is said to be perfectly inelastic. Its example, what happens in the in this type of collision? In the collision two bodies stick together, okay, or move with the same velocity after the stick, they move with the same, they travel with the same velocity after the collision said to be perfectly inelastic. Okay, so example, collision between a bullet and a block of wood into which it is fired when the bullet remains embedded in the block. Okay, तो अपन यदि एक बुलेट मारते हैं ब्लॉक में तो वो जाके उसमें चिपक जाता है, स्टिक हो जाता है. ओके, स्टिक डाउन हो जाता है. सो टाइप्स ऑफ कोलिजन वो था बेसिस ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, एंड ये ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ कोलाइडिंग bodies, head on or one dimensional collision. It is written in this collision: in a collision, if the motion of colliding particles before and after the collision is along the same line, the collision is said to be head on or one dimensional. Okay, so it's example, collision of two gliders on air track. Okay, on an air track. ठीक, तो Head-on collision means motion of colliding party before and after the collision is along the same line. Okay, so यदि वो दोनों कोलाइड हुए और वो सेम डायरेक्शन में सेम लाइन में हुआ, मीन्स क्या, इट मीन्स कोलिजन लाइन एवं सेम लाइन में होना चाहिए। द कोलिजन सेट भी हेड ऑन और वन डायमेंशनल, वन डी में ट्रैवल, ये वन डायमेंशनल ही होगा बिकॉज एक ही लाइन में वो रहेगा। ओके, इन कोलिजन मोशन ऑफ मोशन जो है वो बिफोर एंड आफ्टर द कोलिजन along द सेम लाइन में होना चाहिए। ओके, यही हो गया आपका हेड ऑन। और सेकेंड वन है ऑब्लिक कोलिजन। ओके, इफ टू पार्टिकल्स कोलिजन इज ग्लैंसिंग, okay, example, such that their directions of motion after collision are not along the initial line of motion। okay, so exactly opposite of head on collision, the collision is called oblique। तो आप समझ गए दो पार्टिकल्स के बीच में collision होता है। ओके, टर्म है glancing। such that the direction of motions after collision are not along the initial line of motion, जो पहले लाइन ऑफ मोशन था वो नहीं रहा आफ्टर द कोलिजन, वो चेंज हो गया। इफ एन ऑब्लिक कोलिजन द पार्टिकल्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर द कोलिजन आर इन द सेम प्लेन, द कोलिजन इज कॉल्ड टू डायमेंशनल, अदरवाइज थ्री डी। ओके, सो कोई भी ऑब्लिक कोलिजन बिफोर एंड आफ्टर द कोलिजन आर इन द सेम प्लेन, वो क्या था, सेम लाइन, ये है सेम प्लेन, द कोलिजन इज कॉल्ड टू डायमेंशनल, अदरवाइज थ्री डायमेंशनल। ओके, सो कोलिजन ऑफ बिलार्ड बॉल्स, ये एग्जांपल है इसका। ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट क्लास we shall continue the MCQs based on the collisions। okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe the channel Success EduTech। thank you very much।